but you will live beneath, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
The rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you are, I've come home from so far. So don't you fret, Miss Strawberries, I won't feel any pain. A little fall of
Rain
can hardly hurt me now.
I'm here,
That's all I need to know.
and I
You
will
keep
stay
me
with
safe,
you till you are
and you will keep me close. And rain
And rain
will make the
will make the
flowers